Hey guys, I'm back with Mark Sam to MSP Gaming. Today I am with no one. Yeah. So today I'm gonna play Broken Lens. And today I'm gonna play Quakecraft. So, Quakecraft. I'm very addicted to this game. And yeah, I just get some from the third scoreboards, fourth, fifth. Yeah, I love this game. This game is the best. And yeah, Quakecraft is all about giving people. And I don't mean give, I mean give. Yeah, give. So yeah, it's like one hit kill game. You can spend any time, and yeah, just hold your screen. Yeah, give people. So go play the game. Just wait for this thing. Yeah, just waiting players. Waiting players. Am I right, Phil? Seriously, I hate you. Come on. Let's go get some stuff. Yes, there we go. We're in the parkour right now. Oh, why can't I never make that jump? I hate this shit. I hate this thing. That parkour is really dreaded. That I can never make that jump. Hate that jump over there. Okay, so round 6. Let's just wait for more BBs. There we go. Finishing the parkour. That's a trick over there. Sucks. Seriously. No, 50 seconds is just 5 of us. Why? Come on, more. Yes, they're joining. Come on, more. More. More! Okay, there we go. I don't know if this trick will work or not. Hello. Hello over there. There we go. 17, 20 seconds. There we go, 20 seconds. Okay, 50 seconds, 15. Okay, I love this game. So happy for it. And I love it. I love it. Do you? Huh? Do you? Oh, wait, what? Do you? Civil? Hate you. Why not talking to me? Because I'm not talking to you already. Okay, so junk is loading. Let's go kill some players over here. This game. Fuck. I just give. Kill you all. I'm losing. I'm off to a bad start. This map is so little. Can't run. Seriously. Can never kill Digbal. How are you doing? Yes, there we go. Killing people and I getting give. Kill some people that I keep getting killed. can't I kill them people? God, must have a very bad start. There we go. 8. It's a pretty cool thing. 8. 8. GG. And yeah, GG. 8. 8. Why can't I go to 3rd? So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, if you want me to play more, Broken Lens or QuakeCraft, please like this video. And if you want me to play more and more of this Broken Lens and QuakeCraft, please give me a cool comment down below. And yeah, if you want me to record or suggest me a server, comment to this video or tweet me on Twitter, which is my Twitter is Dimay Johanna. This thing, Dimay the underscore Johanna, or it will more stuff in the comments. Yeah, Twitter's in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And yeah.